Hi, Michael Bokrosh, Glass Restoration, Bokrosh Studio. This beautiful Steuben polar bear on a iceberg came into the studio, and it had some serious problems. One of the problems was that this solid silver polar bear was broken off the top, and Steuben used an inferior adhesive, and it had yellowed and given out over time. And so we fixed up the top there, polished it all up, and removed the adhesive, fixed it all up, and then put new adhesive on. That's guaranteed for 100 years, so it'll be there for a long time, and it'll stay clear. Beautiful. And then this piece had some serious damage in here, especially around the bottom, damaged around the bottom here, because it was so sharp, and people had picked it up and probably set it down at an angle and had chipped. So first of all, we remediated all of the damage, resculpted it and repolished it so that you would never know it was broken, and also put a little bit more of a bevel edge. It's called professionally, it's called a seam on the bottom, so that it's a bit more rounded, and that if it does get hit like that again in the future, it will not be as easily damaged. So just check this beauty out here. It's just fantastic. Steuben polar bear on a iceberg sculpture. It's completely restored. No one will ever know that it was damaged, and it will retain its full value. So my customer is over the moon to get this piece back. I think he probably purchased it online at an auction at an extreme discount because it was pretty worthless. And now it is probably worth whatever the market value is, which is substantial since Steuben's no longer in business. So that's it. Enjoy, and stay tuned for more of our projects and success stories. Michael Bokrosh here. Take care and stay healthy.